3.
No, I thought it says B.
2. 2 then.
1.
B.
Oh, B. 1.
B.
Oh, my dad said building B. B, yeah.
Where are we at? Oh my God. Oh, you're gonna fit in too? Where's the newspaper?
I'm representing Guinness Book of World Records.
3.
Who are you people?
Where are we going? We're going to 5.
5?
There's such thing.
5. Isn't there 5?
No.
Oh my God.
What is this?
3. We were in 3, right?
No.
Where are we at? We're supposed to go to
B.
God, why is this so difficult?
B for bottom.
Where are we going? Up? Where's B? We went up and we're going back
Somebody
down.
know which button we're going.
Someone said 3. B.
Bravo.
What did Shelly Ann say?
Did you say B or 3? That guy was really...
He waved at the camera.
I know.
Asians.
You're like, hey, now what is this?
2.
Oh my God.
You did 2.
I did that.
It's getting hot in here. Take off all your clothes.
I'm getting so hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off.
How do you know it was 2?
1. B. Are we on B yet? Oh, I'm sweating. Please, I'm getting claustrophobia.
Wait a minute, Ed. Kevin.
Go!
Oh, hey, oh.
Push.
Well, this is dead end.
What? Oh my God.
Go!
You guys don't get the water, do you?